Question number 23, it's from the system of equations. Let's solve it. Y is equal to 4x and y is equal to x square minus 12. These are the two equations and both are equal to y. Okay. A solution to the given system of equations is xy. That means we have to find the values of x and y. Solution always means we need to find the value of the variable. Where x is greater than 0, what is the value of x? So we need to solve it for x and y. Because both are equal to y, so we can just equate them with each other. X square minus 12 is equal to 4x. Both are equal to y, that means they are equal to each other, right? Now let's convert, this is a quadratic equation. Let's convert it into standard form. Minus 4x on both sides, negative 4x on both sides. So this side it's cancelled. X squared minus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. This is known as the standard form. Standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here value of a is 1, b is minus 4. If you compare them, a is 1, b is minus 4 and c is equal to minus 12. Now if we need to calculate the values of x from this equation, we need to use the AC method. So let's see what AC method is. In AC method, we draw a cross, right? We draw a cross and whatever is the value of b, which is the coefficient of x, we write it at the top, and whatever is the constant term, we write it at the bottom. Perfect? Okay. Now we need to find these two numbers. Let's say this number is u and this number is v. So we need to find u and v such that if we add them, we get this number. That means we have to solve. If we add them, we get this number, negative 4. And if we multiply them, we get this number, negative 12. This is the first work you have to do in your AC method. Write the numbers here and here. These are the two missing numbers we need to find out. And these are in such a way that when you add them, you get this one. And when you multiply them, you get minus 12. Let's guess, what if I say negative 6 and 2? Let's see it's fulfilling our condition or not. So negative 6 and 2, if I add them, yes, I am getting negative 4. Perfect. Now if I multiply them, negative 6 times 2, it is negative 12. Yes, again, perfect. So that means u and v are negative 6 and 2. Negative 6 and 2. Okay, perfect. Now when we form the factors, this will be like whatever the value of u, that will be here, and whatever is the value of v, that will be here. So the factors are x minus 6, okay, minus 6, and x plus 2. And because this is an equation equal to 0, so we have to put that equal to 0. So that means x square minus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0 can also be written as x minus 6 times x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now after doing that, we apply the 0 property. That is known as 0 property. 0 property means if you are multiplying, let's see what the 0 property is. 0 property is, suppose this product is 0. So if you put a as 0, the result will be 0 because any number multiplied with 0 is 0. Or if you put a as it is but b as 0, even then the result will be 0. So that means if a factor is equal to 0, then either of the numbers a or b is 0. That is why our final result is 0, and that is known as 0 property, right? Now we are going to apply that 0 property because it's equal to 0. So we will apply 0 property. First factor is x minus 6. It can be 0, and if it is 0, then adding 6 on both sides, x is equal to 6, right? And now let's put other factor is equal to 0. X plus 2 is equal to 0. We need to isolate x to find x. So we are doing negative 2 on both sides. It is cancelled. So x is equal to negative 2. Now we need to find x and y. Definitely the question is about x and y. But the final question is, what is the value of x which is greater than 0? What is the value of x which is greater than 0? So if we see here, we have got two values of x. One is x is equal to 6 from here, and one is x is equal to negative 2. This is from here, but we need only value which is greater than 0, 6. So our answer is, what is the value of x? Value of x is 6.